Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp in Gacha Life. First, let's dive into selecting the perfect base for your shrimp creation. You'll want to pick a character or prop that is relatively small, providing a good foundation for our aquatic friend. Then, we'll focus on the color scheme, aiming for those iconic pink and orange hues that truly bring a shrimp to life. We'll also explore accessories to give it that distinct, curved tail shape, making your Gacha Life shrimp instantly recognizable. Now, let's refine the visual appeal of your Gacha Life shrimp by focusing on its color and texture. A key step is applying a vibrant reddish-orange skin tone to your chosen character, which forms the primary body color. For added depth and realism, incorporate lighter pinks to highlight areas like the belly or the joints, mimicking natural shrimp coloration. You might even experiment with a subtle pattern to give the illusion of a textured shell, making your creation truly stand out in the Gacha world. Moving on, we'll enhance your Gacha Life shrimp with crucial details and accessories. The tail is a defining feature, so select small, curved accessories that can be layered to create that distinct, segmented look. For the antennae, explore various hair or headwear options that are thin and flexible, giving the impression of delicate feelers. Don't forget to add tiny eye accessories to bring your shrimp to life. Careful positioning of all these elements is key to achieving an authentic shrimp silhouette. Finally, let's bring your Gacha Life shrimp to its natural habitat and prepare it for presentation. Choose an aquatic background from the game's extensive library to immerse your shrimp in a watery environment. Enhance the scene further by adding other sea-themed props, such as coral or bubbles, to create a vibrant underwater tableau. Adjust your character's pose to suggest it's gracefully swimming or resting on the seabed. Once perfected, save your unique Gacha shrimp creation and proudly share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.